Welcome to the ring, where tension and commotion are as high as any boxing match. Only there are no jabs exchanged here, just quick fire transactions between buyers and sellers. The prize? The best price for tin, or whatever metal is up for grabs. This is the London Metal Exchange, the last physical trading floor in Europe. It is the world centre for the trade of industrial metals. Last year, $10.3 trillion worth of metals were exchanged at the LME. That's almost 4 times the size of the British economy. There are 9 companies trading on the floor, made up of a very unique hierarchy.
It's a 3-tiered approach. The dealers in the ring, the clerks standing behind the ring, and the account executives on the telephones. Probably the most important, are the dealers who actually transact business across the ring, and these are the people that will be seated on the red leather seats that you can see. Immediately behind the dealers, we have what we call the clerks. The clerks are putting orders into the ring, and they're also keeping a record of all transactions that their dealers carry out in the ring. That leads me on to the account executives. These are the people on the telephones, and they are basically talking to clients around the world, and they're providing a commentary to the clients and also receiving orders from the clients, which will then go to the clerks who are standing immediately behind the ring, and then the orders will go into the dealer. So effectively, it's teamwork.
A bell kicks off trading for each metal. Over the course of the next 5 minutes, bids and offers are frantically exchanged. As trading starts to crescendo, hand gestures are used to communicate. And then, all of a sudden, silence, as the final minute approaches. But with seconds of trading left, the tension reaches a dramatic climax. A brief hand gesture and the deal is done. And while it might look like a bit of a circus show from the outside, the ring is a highly regulated performance.
It's theatre, but it's a highly regulated theatre, because it looks chaotic, it looks pandemonium, but you can trust me, the rules that the dealers have to stick to are very, very strict, because it's serious money that we're dealing with here.
Of course, the apparent pandemonium is probably to be expected in a testosterone-filled room. There is a notable absence of women.
Generally, the females tend to be better talking directly to clients. So later on, when there's more action going on, you'll see a number of female members of the LME on the telephones, sort of talking to clients. We have had a number of female traders in the past, but it is predominantly male orientated at the moment.
There are 2 trading sessions per day, one at midday and one in the afternoon. This sets the opening and closing prices for each metal on the global market. But despite the billions traded in this room, the vast majority never leaves the ring. In fact, only 2% of the metal traded here is ever physically collected. And then, when the final bell sounds and trading ceases, calm descends upon the ring for another day.